Yes, South Africans, guys, there's a trend in Nigeria whereby two South African ladies were killed by Nigerian men, saying that they are paying revenge for their brothers who were killed in South Africa. When I say brothers, I'm talking about those drug dealers who were killed by South Africans. Guys, please, especially our ladies, stop dating Nigerians, guys. Stop dating these pastors. They will promise you money, marriage, good life, and take you to Nigeria only to kill you, guys. Dear moms, please show this to your daughters. Never ever date a Nigerian man. Please, guys, please share this video to all WhatsApp groups so that our daughters, our moms, our sisters can see this. Stop dating Nigerian men. Please, guys.